Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question 6 of the 047822 February-March 2024 past paper. The question is, describe two types of iteration that a programmer can use whilst writing a program. Iterations in programming are called loops. To answer this question well, you need a good understanding of loops or iterations in programming. I recommend watching the video on question 2A from the February-March 2023 past paper to review this topic. Since you only need to describe two types, each correct answer will be worth 2 marks. That means it's important to include a brief explanation with each answer to get full marks. For your reference, I'll provide 3 sample answers so you can get a better understanding of how to write a strong response. First of all, count-controlled iterations or loops. A count-controlled loop repeats a fixed number of times. You know before the loop starts how many times it should run. Then, precondition iterations or loops. A precondition loop checks a condition before each time it runs. If the condition is true, the loop runs. If it's false, it stops. And lastly, postcondition iterations or loops. A postcondition loop runs the loop at least once and checks the condition after running the loop body. Great! We've fully answered the question in a way that can help you earn maximum marks in the exam. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for other questions in this paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.